everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to make a simple birthday video on Canva. Open Canva and click on Video. Under Designs on the right side, click in the search bar and type Happy Birthday. Choose a template that you like and add it to the page. Click on Uploads and upload your images. Drag and drop your image onto the page to replace the template image. Next, double-click on the text in the video to edit and customize it as needed. Then, click on Elements, go to the Graphics. Under Magic Recommendations, click on See All. Choose elements based on your needs, add them to the page, and adjust their size and position. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.